Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS because system-level noise features live there. Plug in your wired or Bluetooth headphones or plan to use the iPhone microphone. Each path changes processing. Once done, open settings and pre-enable headphone accommodations or reduce loud sounds so the audio chain is ready. This reduces distortion and gives the noise algorithm cleaner input, which improves cancellation performance. Now you enable the specific cancellation controls, because this is where processing changes. Go to Accessibility, then Audio/Visual, and turn phone noise cancellation on so the iPhone attenuates background hiss during calls. If you use AirPods Pro or Max, open Bluetooth device settings and choose Active Noise Cancellation. It's necessary to sync hardware with system features. During calls, open Control Center and pick Voice Isolation to suppress ambient sound. Make sure to finish by validating and fine-tuning. You should make a short test call and listen carefully for background noise, because perception reveals settings that need change. If noise continues, restart the iPhone, repair Bluetooth, and toggle noise features off and on. This resolves most software conflicts. If problems remain, check microphone ports for debris and try another headset. Faulty hardware mimics failed cancellation, so swapping devices isolates the cause quickly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.